Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a really easy and quick makeup look, which looks really glamorous because of the glittery eyeshadow I used, but it was so easy and so quick to do. So the first thing I always do before I apply any eyeshadow is priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna use the Tarte Cosmetics Soft Ocher Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use a P84 brush from Sigma Beauty to apply this all over my eyelids. So I have been doing these 5-minute eye looks now since a few months, and I'm just surprised by how much you guys like these videos. My YouTube channel was always new for like these dramatic cut creases, but so I was really surprised that you all like those more easy looks as well. But I will definitely keep doing them since you all like them so much. Then now you can see that I applied a little bit of powder all over my eyelids to lock the primer in place. And for today's look I'm gonna use this new palette from Tarte Cosmetics, which is such a beautiful palette, and it has these really intense glittery eyeshadows. And that was like the reason I wanted to use this palette, because they're so intensely pigmented, so I felt like, oh, I can definitely do like a really easy look with this. So I'm starting with this soft color and I'm gonna blend this all over in my crease, and I feel like this color is like so beautiful. It's like a kind of peachy, orangey red kind of color. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really beautiful. It has a lot of warmth in it, but I feel like it's such a unique color. So I just blended this all over my crease, also focusing at the outer V area because I want to create a sort of, not really sure, like a triangle shape. So really focus at the outer V as well if you are gonna recreate this eye look. Then now for the next color I'm gonna take a shade which is a little bit darker, and it also has a sort of reddish peachy undertone. I took a tinier brush. This one is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush collection, and I focused mainly at the outer V, and then when there wasn't that much product left on my brush anymore, I started blending it a little bit more towards the crease area. And I think I only went 2 times back with my brush into this color because the eyeshadows were like really nicely pigmented, so I didn't like need to use a lot of it. Then now I'm going in with this gorgeous glittery color, and I'm gonna take this shade because I feel like it matches perfectly with the colors we just used. And I'm first gonna use my finger. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to use my finger or a brush, but I felt like let's just start with my finger and see what happens. I feel like because I pressed quite hard, you can't really see the sparkles anymore. So later I'm also gonna use a brush because I feel like that gave a little bit of a different finish. So yeah, it just shows the sparkles a little bit more. But I think it's nice if you first use your finger and then a brush, and then you get like most product packed on. And of course I did the same at the other side of my eye as well. Then now I'm going back in with this color which we used for the outer V area, and I'm going to use a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line as well. The brush that I'm using right now is a flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty, and this is just a really nice brush because you can really press it underneath the lower lash line as tight as possible against the lash line. I've been using this brush for a while and I really like it. Then now to blend it out, I'm going to take this lighter shade which we used at the beginning, and I used a pencil brush which is also from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection, and I'm just sweeping my brush back and forth. I'm just gonna use this color to smudge out the whole lower lash line and make it look more blended out. Then now I'm gonna use this pencil from a waterline which is also from Tarte Cosmetics. I felt like since I'm using their palette today, let's just stick to one brand and make it a bit more easier. This is, I believe, the something called with Wake Up. It will just kind of remove the redness from your waterline, and it will give you the appearance that you look more awake, and also it will just make your eyes appear a little bit bigger. But I will put all the names of the products in the description bar. Then now I'm curling my lashes because we're going in with some mascara, of course, doing this on both sides of my eyes. And I'm also gonna use a mascara from Tarte, and it's so cute because I received this mascara this week, and they like applied my sign on it. I'm a Virgo, and I thought that was really cute. So this mascara is the Light Scare Lashes. This is not a new mascara, but they just gave me like a special edition with my sign on it, which I think is super cute. So I'm gonna use this mascara on the upper lashes and of course also on the lower lashes. And then I'm gonna use some fake eyelashes. I'm gonna use these gorgeous lashes from Tatti Lashes in the style TL7, and then this is how it looks. This was so easy, but yet I feel like it looks super glamorous, like I put a lot of effort. I think this eye look will suit with any eye color. I think it really makes your eye color stand out. So if you have blue eyes or green eyes or brown eyes, it will look amazing on you. Let me know if you're gonna try this look or if you're gonna do something similar. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Hiding in the dark, but we can see through the lens that has captured us. So don't let it go. Get up to see me fall. We are standing in two time zones all at once. Can't take hold. Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk.